Did ChatGPT just get video input capabilities? Yes, and this might be one of the biggest upgrades yet. So here's what's new. You can now upload videos directly into ChatGPT using the Add Files button, or simply drag and drop them inside the ChatGPT mobile app. And once uploaded, ChatGPT can watch and understand what's inside your video. What can it actually do? You can ask it to summarize videos, generate transcripts, or even analyze and give creative ideas based on the content. For example, you could upload a lecture and ask for a bullet summary. You could drop in a product demo and have ChatGPT write a YouTube description, or turn a long webinar into social media posts. This feature is powered by GPT-5's multimodal understanding, meaning it can process not just text or images, but full audiovisual input. It can identify objects, scenes, tone, and even key moments in a clip, then reason about them. That opens the door to endless possibilities. Automatic editing notes, script suggestions, accessibility captions, even instant content repurposing. And the best part, it works just like uploading any file. You don't need an extra plugin, API, or extension. Just drop in your video, describe what you need, and ChatGPT does the rest. If this video hits 1,000 views, I'll make a full tutorial showing you how to use ChatGPT's new video feature step by step. So hit like, share this with your creator friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more AI updates like this.